Dok! Konsi! Hello po! Carlo Veloso, mga kababayan.
Boss, mabati na rin mo. Baka naman.
Si Ma'am Yan at ang daming konsi natin na dumarating, oh. Ma'am Yan. Hi sir, morning. Hello ma'am. Oh, video. Hello sir, good morning po. Sir, shout out sa ating channel.
Ano ulit yung...
KTV Pilipinas.
Yes, yung shout out sa KTV Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. Kasama ka namin sa journey namin ng time na campaign. So muli, what's out lang ngayon?
Ayan, oh.
KTV channel, Philippines.
So June, by mga babae.
All salute. Sama ka.
Sir Bobby.
Morning.
Good morning. Updated ako sa ating kay Sir Bobby, mga kababayan.
Magandang umaga, mga batang Maynila. Ingat po tayo.
Sige, Barangay 711 ako kay Chairman Tonton Torcelino ng 78 Malate, Manila.
Si Kuya Tonton.
Ang inyong vlogger, KTV Pilipinas.
Ingat kayo ha, ingat kayo. Medyo maulan pa po. Ingat po tayo.
Thank you, Konsi. Picture po. Ako video. 1, 2, 3, go. You know? JD yan?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a good week again for each and every one of us. A good week for each. It's like what the saying goes. Many. Only few.
Yes, Pastor Joey, good morning.
Were chosen. You were the chosen one. Wow. Pinakamasarap sa buhay ng isang nagtatrabaho sa pamahalaan ay yung mabigyan ka ng pagkakataon makatulong sa ating mga kababayan. At ang pagtulong ay kinakailangan ng pananalapi. It has to be supported by the funds coming from our people. Who trusted us. Pinatangan sa atin, kaya niya. And as you heard, last week wala tayong trabaho. Pero kumikita ang gobyerno. Before, you will never hear such story or incident. Before the first term ko, at nung nawala ako, nawala rin yung ganyang balita. Dahil sa may ilang individual na ayaw ng ganyang sistema. And I will share to each and every one of you what my professor said in Boston. Sabi niya, you cannot solve and stop corruption. Sabi niya, so nagsakabi na nga. Yung pala, yung salita niya yun ay may buwit. Sabi niya, for corruption to die, you must limit human discretion in government transaction. Then corruption naturally will die. Go Manila at the time and now is an initiative of your city government under my watch. And there are so many reasons. But one of those major reasons, ang pinakamahalagang dahilan, ay bigyan ng convenience yung mga taong nagbabayad ng buwis o ng kanilang obligasyon sa pamahalaan. Saan ka rin nakakita, nagbabayad ka ng pamilya, nagbabayad ka ng business tax, pitong oras ka pa nasa second floor, pitong oras ka pa nasa ground floor, ang pila 40,000, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000 tao, bibilangan. Nagbabayad ka na, pinahihirap ka pa. And that, through Atty. Paul, when we introduced the e-balls, that gave opportunity for the city, even in wee hours, kahit madaling araw, kahit gabi, sarado na opisina, may bagyo, nagkakaroon ng materya, ang tao nagkaroon ng pagkakataon to participate in such a way, fulfilling their obligations to the city government. Kaya po, tuloy ninyo, kung bagyo, 35 milyones. Sabado Linggo, may nakakabayan. Ano naman buti niya ng kwento mo, Yorme? Ay, mabuti po yan. Lalo sa inyo. Ay, bakit? Ay, linggo-linggo, iniingatan ko yung general fund. Lagi ko makatulong ko sa general fund. May sweldo kaya ang mga empleyado. Mag-a-assist na naman. Whether we accept the fact or not, we were raped. Inahasa tayo at your expense. And that level of cash for your salary, for your family, is always the brink of collapsing. Always. Ito yung literal na hand-to-mouth. That's why we are very careful, as like what Paul Vega said, ay iniingatan namin. Pero at least, kahit paano ngayon, tayo ko sabihin hanggang akising mga gusto. Komportable ako, isusunduin ang mga kasama ko nag-review sa tao natin. So, petty of me, so petty, me telling you, Mr. Lo, me beginning the use. What is the do? It's so petty. Why would you tell in a flag ceremony such a story? Obligasyon nyo naman alam niya ang Pastor Victor. Opo. Kaso wala naman pera. Walang pera. Taway kayo na napakain ninyo sa inyong pamilya. May pamamasahe nyo sa lemang dito. It is my obligation. Simply, what is due to you must be given to you. Paano tayo magiging mabuti sa ating kapitbahay kung sa loob mismo ng ating tahanan hindi tayo masino para sa ating mga kasama-sama? And umanap kayo, we'll do our best. We will always do our best na hindi kayo apektado ng politika o maling pagpapatakbo ng gobyerno. You are always our concern because we need you. We need you to serve our people. I cannot serve alone. I cannot do it alone. I need each and every one of you. And let me take this opportunity this morning to thank each and every one of you, especially those on the front line. Last week, salamat sa Diyos, nakarapos tayo. Salamat sa Diyos. Tapos na yung Madria. And I hope wala na dumating sa mga ilang araw din mo kung anong tao ito. But your city will be there. Your city government will always be there. Always with our people. We will be there. Every single moment. Every street. Iskinig tayo ng ulimas. Kasama natin ang ating mga kababayan. Start of the week. Put a smile on your faces. Because it is quite a privilege to be of service to our people. Hindi lahat kami bigyan. It's an experience of our lifetime. One way or another, in the hallway of this building, may isang mamamayan would say to you, thank you po. Pray mo, may sweldo ka na, may thank you po. So those are the things that you will always put in your heart and mind na masarap maglingkod sa taong bayan. Kaya, ako naman, lagi kong dalangin sa lingkungan, maging ligtas at malusog kayong lahat. On behalf of the City Government, nakikiramay ako sa apat nating kababayan na nasawi last week dala ng leptospirosis. Yes, it's true. We wanted to save as many as we can, but still, apat na kababayan natin. Kaya mag-iingat kayo. Hindi talaga natin masabi ang mga. So, if that is the case, today, I want you to accept from your field of undertaking. You have value. Kaya ka nandiyan sa opisina na yan. May halaga ka. May magagawa ka. And please, in your respective workplace, gawin niyong maaliwalas, malinis natin ang inyong mga opisina. Good luck to us for these coming days. I believe in you. We can do it together. We can make Manila great again. Magandang umaga. Pagpalay ka lang kayo na maraming salamat. Manila! God bless. Thank you.
May bayad ba subscription? Wala, di ba? Click the button, subscribe, then click all.